We are near to the launch of Google Pixel 6a. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you're all doing well. Google is ready to launch the Google Pixel 6a and we get almost every detail that we want to know about the Google Pixel 6a, and even Geekbench is out, which will surprise you. Google is planning to unveil Pixel 6a in Google's upcoming event, Google I/O, which is going to start from 11th of May 2022, and we may see Pixel Watch along with the Pixel 6a, and Google may also release the Android 13. But Pixel 6a will come with the Android 12, not Android 13. Meanwhile, we may not see a big design change in the Pixel 6a, and it is confirmed. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Pixel 6a or Samsung Galaxy A53. Which one you want to get this year? Upon getting a Geekbench score, we can predict that the launch of Pixel 6a is close. According to the leaked Geekbench listing, Pixel 6a beats the Pixel 6 in single core score and multi-core score, which is kind of amazing, but the difference is very small. Here, the Pixel 6a comes with the codename BlueJay, and the codename is already surfaced before, so this leak is confirmed. Since both phones uses Google's own Tensor chipset, this Geekbench score includes the Pixel 6a with 6GB of RAM and Pixel 6 with 8GB of RAM. And I think we shouldn't be surprised since both phones share the same internals, but one being cheaper than the other. Pixel 6a appears at FCC, and to my surprise, we see 4 models leaked there. Earlier, people were predicting Google Pixel 7, but it is now confirmed that all models are Google Pixel 6a, and yes, Pixel 6a will support 5G connectivity. As we know, 5a comes with $499 and that phone was valued to money, but Google uses the budget processor in it. But if Google Pixel 6a comes with the Tensor chipset, then I will think it will be the winner in the budget series smartphones, since the other options we have is iPhone SE 3 starting at $449, but the base model will come with 64 gigs of internal storage. So Google Pixel 6 can be a spot taker and could potentially a best budget smartphone of 2022. Google Pixel 6a comes with 6.2 inches 90Hz AMOLED display, comes with the 2 lenses on the back, 12.2 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel selfie camera. Also come with 4800 mAh battery, which is going to be enough for 6.2 inches display and under glass fingerprint scanner. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below Pixel 6a or Samsung Galaxy A53, which one you're gonna get this year. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.